Hi boys and girls, let's get started on our last math lesson of the week. You guys have done a great job this week. We learned ways to make 7, ways to make 8, ways to make 9, ways to make 10, and now we're going to kind of start putting it all together. Alright? First things first, boys and girls, today you're going to need your whiteboard, your eraser, and your marker. Okay, your whiteboard materials. And the only other thing you'll need is your math book. Turn to the Lesson 9 problem set. Okay, you'll see these circles and frogs. Again, it's a Lesson 9. And with that, you'll also want a pencil or something to write with. Okay, so go ahead and grab that if you need to and find your page. Then you can set it off to the side. Now, let's get started reviewing our partners to 10. So I have all 10 of my fingers up right now. Okay. If I put one finger down, okay, 1 and how many more will make 10? 1 and I have 5 and 4 left. That's 9. Good job, okay? You can do this with me. Okay, what if we put 2 fingers down? 2 and what make 10? You should see 5 and 3 more. That is 8. So 2 and 8 make 10. Can you say that with me? 2 and 8 make 10. Good. Okay, let's put a third finger down. Now 3 and what? 3 and 7 make 10. Let's say it like a number sentence. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Good job. Okay, I'm putting a fourth one down. Now I have 4 down and the rest up. 4 and what make 10? 5, 6. 4 and 6 make 10. Let's say that like a number sentence. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Good job. Okay, so what if I put my last finger down? Now I have 5 down and how many up? 5 up still. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good work. All right, and if I kept going, now I have 6 and 4 again. So we're repeating. So we have 0 and 10, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. Woo! All right. Now let's say we have this application problem we're working on. So Kira is making a bracelet. Okay, Kira is making a bracelet. She already put 3 beads on, and she wants 10 beads on her bracelet. So if Kira, here, let's draw a bracelet. We can do this. Draw a nice big bracelet. Okay, Kira wants 10 beads on her bracelet, but so far she only has 3. Can you draw 3 beads on your bracelet with me? 2, 3. How many more does she need to get 10 beads on her bracelet? Ooh, let's start with a number bond. We know she wants 10 beads on her bracelet. So that is our whole number or our part. If she wants 10 on the entire thing, it's going to be our whole number. Okay, now we know one of our parts. Some she's already put on and some she has to still put on. What part do we know? We know this part, the one she already put on. How many is that? 3. Yep, so we have 10 and 3. So we have 10, ooh, watch Mrs. Garris get tricky here, equals 3 plus something. So this is like saying if we want 10, 3 and what are going to give us 10? We need to figure out this box, this missing part in our number bond and in our number sentence. So let's practice counting on. Maybe you are super duper good at memory and you remember 3's partner to 10 really fast in your head. Maybe you want to look at your fingers and say, okay, 10 fingers. 3 beads are already on there. How many fingers are left? How many more does she need to put on to get to 10 beads? Or maybe you count down in your picture. So here are the 3 she already put on. 3, and I want to count to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I made it. How many beads did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. So, 7 is the number of what? What are we talking about here? Airplanes? Butterflies? Jungle gyms? 7 what? Kira needs 7 more beads. Good job. Awesome. Okay, that's our application problem for today. That was a bit of a tricky one. They're going to get a little tougher, boys and girls, so get ready. Go ahead and erase your board now. And we are going to have a little bit, well, let's see here. Mrs. Garris is going to do her best play as she can for math right now, okay? All right, let me show you something. I'm going to make a play about there's a party going on, okay? There's a party going on, all right? And there's some kids dancing. Here are my kids dancing. There are 4 kids dancing at the party. There's 3. Boop, boop. Ooh, spinning. This person's spinning and they're dancing. Look at that. 4. There we go. 4 friends were dancing at a party. Ooh. 4 friends were dancing at a party. Then 3 more joined them. Here they come. Whoop. Boop. There's 2. Whoop. And 3. Dancing. Yeah. Having fun. Awesome. There are my friends at the party. They are dancing. 4 were dancing at the party. 3 more joined them. How many kids are dancing at the party now? Ooh, let's make a number bond to show. Do this with me. Grab your whiteboard, grab your marker, draw your number bond. Okay, let's talk about what we knew. What did our story say? The red ones came in dancing first. How many red ones came in dancing? 4. Good job. Okay, so let's start our number sentence too. 4. And then some more came. Some yellow ones came dancing. Boop, 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 boop. How many came dancing that were yellow? 3 more. Okay, so 4 and 3. Now we want to know how many kids are dancing at the party all together. I see 4, 5, 6, 7 students or kids are dancing at the party now. Nice. Good work. We are going to practice some of these story problems today. Okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to do one more. Let's see. What do you think? What should we do here? Why don't I do one more? Okay? So let's erase our board. You can keep your number bond because you're going to want to use that again for our next problem. I'm going to do one more story problem for practice with our counters, okay? All right, are you ready? There were whoop, 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 6 rabbits hopping in the forest. Do, do. There's 3. I need 6. Hopping, 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 hopping. There's 5. One more. Hopping, hopping, hopping. Okay. There were 6 rabbits hopping in the forest. Are you ready for this now, boys and girls? Two snakes slithered in and joined them. Okay? 6 rabbits were hopping in the forest and 2 slithery snakes joined them. Can you write a number bond and a number sentence to show how many animals there are in the forest now? 6 rabbits were hopping in the forest. 2 slithery snakes joined them. How many animals are in the forest now? Okay, let's check our work. We should have had 6 as a part for our 6 rabbits and 2 as a part for our 2 slithery snakes that joined them. If I write this like a number sentence, and I hope some of my first graders were able to do this, 6 plus 2 more equals something. We don't know yet. We have to figure that part out. What did you come up with? 6 and 2 make what? 6, 7, 8. We should have 8. 6 and 2 make 8. So there were 8 animals in the forest. Good work. All right, let's now get our math books. Okay, I don't need my counters anymore, so I'm going to get rid of those. Go ahead and get your math book. Turn to page Lesson 9 problem set, where you saw the circles and the frogs. Okay, we're going to do a few of these ones together, okay? Go ahead and pause me right now if you're not ready. Otherwise, I'm going to get started for my friends who are on the page. Okay, so what we have here today, boys and girls, is a picture that's going to go along with a story problem, okay? There are some, it says, blank balls are here, blank more roll over. Now there are blank balls. Okay. So we're looking at this first group. Blank balls are here. How many balls are already here? How many do you see here? I see 5. So I'm going to write it in the square, and I'm going to write it here to finish the sentence. 5 balls are here. Plus blank. Blank more roll over. These two, we see the lines. That means they're rolling. How many more roll over? 2 more roll over. Good job. Now there are blank balls. So equals what? If we had 5 and 2 more came, how many are there now? Let's count on. 5, 6, 7. Good job. 7. So I need to write it in both of those. Okay, now I need to make a number bond to match the story. Okay. So which numbers are my parts and which one is my whole? Well, the biggest number is always my whole number. Which number is the biggest? Right, 7 is the biggest. And there were some balls already there and some balls that rolled. 5 balls were already there, 2 balls rolled. Okay? All right, good work. Let's see if you can do a little more of the next one on your own. Blank frogs are here. Blank more hops over. Ooh, there he is. Now there are blank frogs. Go ahead and give that one a try quickly on your own, and I'll check, and you can check your work with mine in a minute. Okay, I'm going to count my first group of frogs that are already here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 frogs are here. Blank more hops over. I only see 1 frog hopping over. So I'm looking for 6 plus 1 equals something. 6 and 1 more. I could use my fingers. If I have 6 and put 1 more, then I have 7. Now there are 7 frogs. What does our number bond look like here? Well, we're going to put our biggest number in the whole part again. That is 7. And we had 6 frogs there and 1 that hopped. So our parts are 6 and 1. Good work. Let's turn the page. Okay. You should see flags and flowers now. Okay, There are blank dark flags, it says first. There are blank white flags. Altogether, there are blank flags. That's going to be this number. How many are there all together? So, you go for it. Count your dark flags. That's where this first box and this first line are where your dark flags number is going to go. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4 dark flags. How many white flags do you see? 3 white flags. Oops, I don't know why I wrote 4 in that one. There are 3 white flags. Okay, so how many all together? 4 and 3. 4 and 3 more. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 and 3 make 7. So all together there are, see this line here, don't forget this one over here. There are 7 flags. All right, what's our number bond say? I have some dark flags, 4 dark flags, and some white ones, 3 white ones. All of them together made 7. Good job. I'm going to let you do this flower one all by yourself. I'm going to give you a moment, and then I will check the work with you. I will read these for you. There are blank white flowers. So white flowers are going to go in the first box. There are blank dark flowers. So the dark ones will go in the second box. Okay, then we have the last one where it says all together there are blank flowers. Can you do your number sentence and your number bond? And I'm going to check with you in a moment. All right, let's see how you did. Okay, I'm going to write my answers, and I'm going to be super quiet. If I write an answer that you also have, I want you to give yourself a pat on the back. Here we go. There are 5 white flowers. You might have a back pat already. There are 4 dark flowers. What about putting them together? All together there are blank flowers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 flowers all together. Cool. Hopefully you did your number bond. I gave you the direction to go ahead and do it. There were 5 white flowers and 4 dark flowers, and together that gives us 9. Oh boy, if you got them all right, I want you to give yourself a pat on the back and say something that Mrs. Garris loves to say. Okay? Say, I'm a mathematician. A mathematician is someone who's really good at math. So you can stand up and you can say, I'm a mathematician. Super duper proud. Okay, go ahead and give it a shot if you want. Good working on this with me, boys and girls. Now this exit ticket's going to be in Seesaw. You will have to read the word problem, or I will read it to you in Seesaw as well. Okay? You need to draw a picture in the box, and then you'll have a space for your number sentence and your answer. Okay? Good luck, boys and girls. I hope to hear and see your work soon, and take care.